Alright?
Yep, filming.
Okay.
Oh, cool. That sounds exactly the same as the other one. Yeah. So you're basically just watching then?
Yes, yeah.
Oh, okay, so... Hang on. I'm going to watch how he does this. 'Cause... So like just then it went...
So that's all the air controls you see. What you can hear is all the pneumatics, the compressed air that makes things happen.
What happened there?
And that's the brake. That's do you remember I said it's a vacuum brake?
Ah, yeah.
That means the brakes are held off by a vacuum. And they go on when you put air into it to destroy the vacuum. And what you're hearing is the air rushing in to destroy the vacuum. To apply the brakes.
So we're just easing now. Don't know why.
You're just going across the junction.
Okay, and then a little bit more worry, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cool! Look.
Can't go too quickly here because this is newly laid track.
Sorry. There was like a PA system, it's like a welcome aboard the service.
No, there's nothing like that. No.
But then how do people know which stops?
Well, they didn't. They just had to look out the window and see the station signs, or know the stops, or the guard might shout down, "This is Shenton," or whatever.
Wherever.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. And then there's a sign up there. Look.
Where?
Just up there.
Here. Where?
There.
There.
Yeah, that thing up there.
This?
No, he does mean the sign, but he doesn't. No, it doesn't say anything.
Oh no, right. This is it's faded now. This is tells you that it might have gone on tracks with electric
Sorry.
and to be very careful. Watch out for your ticket.
Oh, Lou, you've got my ticket, haven't you?
No.
Oh, I've got it, haven't I?
Yeah.
Yes, I did. Oh, here we go.
Perfect. Thank you.
Lovely, thank you.
Very friendly. I went, when I was your age, I went on holiday, one of these, and the driver suddenly opened the door, and he called us into the cab because there was a family of foxes that were just sitting on the road.
Come here.
Yeah. I wasn't know that. Being so friendly. You didn't have to.
Lucas being a train crew.
You did?
What's so like actually during a journey?
Yeah. Journey to the seaside.
So this is basically just like a full country service.
Yeah, this is a single car. It's a single coach.
Yeah.
They were called bubble cars.
So, and then those are basically just like, what are those there?
What's that?
Like just those.
These are the lights.
Ah,
Theory, we
so,
should be able to put some. Yeah. Going in the tunnel. That we don't have.
or somewhere.
Yeah, but if we run at night.
Yeah, so if you did like a like a 70, no, like a 2005 service, yeah?
Yes. In the winter.
Yeah.
Now we have to whistle here because this is the farm crossing we're about to go across.
So basically have to do a couple of blasts there, yeah?
Just to warn anyone in a tractor, basically. And there's another one here because just beyond here is there's a foot crossing where people are allowed to cross the line to get from just down on a left. Just down there there's a footpath.
Ah, just over there.
Goes
Wow.
across, cuts through a field, yeah.
Basically like looking through a windscreen here, yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. I've actually never done a cab journey before. So this is probably the first one.
Hey.
First cab journey, I think. Yeah.
Okay, you can carry on filming. It's still running. Cool.
Well, so we can do this for the whole journey, or?
We can do this to the end, yeah.
Ah, cool. And then maybe if we do it on that side, then might have to try and shimmy out that way.
We can go back out to the door.
Or should we?
Basically going all the way downhill now. This is the line going this way goes downhill. So we can pretty much roll
Don't need to-
free wheel quite a lot of the way.
I bet this will be quite a wobbly sort of video
Sure it will.
when I watch this.
Yeah.
Quite a long video as well.
This does rock around a bit.
Yeah. So
That's what makes it fun, though, isn't it?
yeah, and steam ones do as well a little bit. Have you ever driven a steam one before?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh, what this particular line?
Yes, on this line.
Oh, cool. So do you do like the specials and stuff?
No. This was a long time ago. I'm not a steam train driver, really. I could probably make one go. Stop it, but that's about it.
What, and not even do like... So I suppose the gears would be probably completely, completely different.
Oh yeah, steam engines completely different, yeah.
Oh, by the way, there's a model video. If you search the strength of the Gas 37, IC82 is the YouTube user. If you search for that, then it should be the very top one. And then you can actually see how many coaches it actually pulls.
How many does it pull then?
Quite a few.
Quite a few.
Yeah.
They're very powerful, aren't they? Very powerful.
Yeah. Okay, so a little bit.
We're coming up to middle station now, which is Market Bosworth.
Okay, so hang on. So that's just like a. So is that just like? So how do you get it like in the exact right place?
Wow, that's the skill.
Hang on. So I'm gonna have to watch, yeah.
I think so.
So ready. So and. Wow. Wow, platform starts right down here. Oh, it's just there. But then how come you go quite far down?
Well, because the building is mainly at this end.
Are you just checking that something's like locked or something? What's they checking anyway?
So this is Market Boswell.
Yeah.
Yeah. You having fun?
Cool.
Are we in neutral? Are we in neutral?
There we go.
That's it. That's it.
There we go. Because then that will start to kick in, yeah? Seems to be... How come we're looking out the door like that? And... How come we're looking out the door like that?
Just to see who's getting on and when we're about ready
Oh.
to go.
I did hear a door shut, so...
I think we're just about there now.
Okay. Oh, actually, a guard will tell us, yeah? Actually, a guard will tell us, yeah?
Yeah.
Couple of quick blasts, so like...
Well, guard's not okay. Yeah, everyone else is.
Yeah, I know that he's probably just checking. So, aha. So, he might be just going around checking,
Yeah.
I think. Oh, cool. So you can even see out to a platform there, yeah?
Yeah, we're looking along the platform now.
Can you look at me? Wait. And again?
Cool. Just did a couple of photos. So, yeah, get photos of the like windscreen and stuff.
Yeah, okay. I'll try and get you with the windscreen, shall I?
Yeah.
Okay. Go left a bit then.
There we
Okay.
go. Cool.
Got it.
Cool. That would be funny to put on the PC. That would be so cool. I
He's going to
reckon.
be very jealous, Lucas.
Yeah, I reckon. If I get him to watch this video,
Heck yeah.
or 2 videos I filmed,
Yeah.
can you hear how accurate it is in this bit?
Okay.
Okay, so.
I'm going to say a really nice thank you afterwards.
Yeah.
Good boy, thank you.
I managed to film someone for joining there. So what does that bit basically mean?
I'm going to head off, I think, Lou.
Yep, ready? Watch. Yeah, here we go. And then basically slide that shut again, yeah? And then basically slide it shut again, yeah? Oh,
it.
cool. Shkum.
Right, now you can ask your question about the buzzing and stuff.
So what does that like thing mean?
That's
Like that little...
that's a way for the guard to communicate with the driver. You know, you said that there was no intercom, there's no announcement.
Yeah, or like PA system.
So the number of buzzes have a number of meanings. So 1 buzz would mean stop, 2 means start.
But then what about like...
Those are the ones we use just most of the time.
Yeah, but what about the...
Nine means you have to stop and pass, get some police assistance.
Yeah, but then I heard like a sort of thing.
Or that you get 2, and
Yep.
then the
Another... And
driver
then...
answers, does the same back to acknowledge that he's heard it. So da-da means start, and then the driver will do da-da again,
I think,
just
okay.
repeat it to say that I've heard it and I know.
So like, okay.
Yeah, exactly.
It's almost like saying that, yeah?
Yeah.
It's probably, I reckon, if I upload this to my YouTube channel, I'll get loads of views and stuff for this. That would be so cool.
I think so. What do I need to search for then?
What, for my YouTube channel?
Yeah.
just put in Lucas A. Murray and then it will get it. So Lucas, no space, and then just A, and then Murray, and then that will get it.
Okay.
Ideally, you need to ask his permission first because he's on the video.
Do you think might be alright?
That's fine. That's fine.
Thank you. Is it Ian IAN?
Yes.
Right.
Cool. Wow. So, at the moment we're doing what? Because we're actually going quite quickly, so I'm
We're
just
doing
wondering
25 now. Seems faster.
what if you're sitting here.
If you were doing this in a car, it would seem very, very slow, really. In a train, it seems quite fast.
Yeah, well, I know the Pendolinos can go really quickly through stations.
Yeah, we couldn't do anything like that, even if we wanted to. This is the maximum speed we're allowed to go.
Do lean over at times, though.
We do. We pretend we can all run to one side of the carriage.
So,
We could paint it red, couldn't we?
what
The outside.
Oh yeah, that might actually look quite cool, yeah?
Some Virgin stickers on it.
Oh, that might actually look pretty cool. So do you reckon this video might be quite good, or?
I think it'd be very good.
Yeah, but like if the camera's wobbling a little bit.
Or it just adds to the effect. Makes it seem real.
Yeah.
Make it look as if we're doing 100.
Exactly. Yes.
See, just kind of filming out a windscreen, see? How many views do you reckon I'll get for this?
Oh, I couldn't possibly say. How many views do you normally get?
Quite a few.
Well, what videos have you got already?
Few lift ones. I bet an Irish YouTube user, NIR Trainman will probably... Ah, okay, so... I saw some old like wagons and stuff over there.
Yeah, that was a bit of repair work on the bridge that happened last year.
And then, what's that sign over there? I saw like a sign go past.
Ooh, I'm not sure.
There, look, those little blue ones.
There was a hut.
I don't know
Sorry,
what.
and then there's a distance signal which tells us we're only a quarter of a mile from the end of the line.
So for then, that was for what?
That's because we're coming into the last station around the bend now.
I might have filmed probably the whole journey.
It's only 5 miles, so it's not a huge distance.
So again, exactly the same, yeah?
And then film what
Yeah.
the driver's doing on this bit, Keep filming this bit because this is interesting.
I bet I'll get loads of views for this bit.
What, darling?
I bet I'll get loads of views for this
Yes,
bit.
yes, you will. This is Shenton. All change, please. All change.
This train terminates here. And there's the building just there. That's handy. So, oh, so we're only parked just
On the right, yes.
and
Make sure you film it.
and that's it.